Astronomy Roundup is a regular summary of major events in astronomy. First up is the James Webb Telescope. The James Webb Telescope is now one of the coldest objects in space. Thanks to a cryogenic cooler, it is negative 448.15 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 266.75 degrees Celsius. Nearly as cold as the vacuum of space, which is negative 455 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 270.55 Celsius. It is kept at this frigid temperature to prevent its instruments from detecting their own heat radiation. Next up is the asteroid impact that changed the moon. The side of the moon that always faces us has fewer craters than the side we never see because the surface is covered in lunar maria. These are vast stretches of lava visible to the naked eye as dark patches. These stretches of lava most likely covered up the craters that should have otherwise pockmarked the moon's near side. Scientists believe that a massive collision that occurred 4.3 billion years ago caused lava to pour out from the mantle. This lava then buried many pre-existing impact craters.
Check the description for links to all referenced articles.
Next, the Hubble Space Telescope confirms a giant comet. When you hear that comets are dirty snowballs, it's natural to imagine a small object hurtling through space. But comets are huge. Now the Hubble Space Telescope has detected the largest snowball yet. Comet C 2014 UN 271 could be 85 miles, 137 kilometers across. This is about 50 times larger than most known comets. For comparison, Comet Neowise, which came close to Earth in 2020, is only about 3 miles, 5 kilometers in diameter. Next is good news for alien believers on Europa. Scientists have long suspected that Europa, one of Jupiter's approximately 80 moons, has a vast ocean that might harbor life. But that ocean is likely hidden beneath miles of thick ice. The Jovian moon is covered in icy double ridges that resemble the letter M. Water close to the surface may be responsible for creating these ridges. Scientists think this is a possibility because there are similar ridges right here on Earth, located in Greenland. According to Stanford PhD student Riley Kohlberg, in Greenland, this double ridge formed in a place where water from surface lakes and streams frequently drains into the near surface and refreezes. If there is water closer to the surface than previously thought, it makes the search for alien life much easier. Next is micronova explosions. A micronova is a thermonuclear blast. These blasts may be common throughout the universe, according to astronomers. A supernova can be visible for weeks, while a micronova lasts just hours. When these thermonuclear blasts happen on the surface of a star, they rapidly burn through enormous amounts of stellar material. Scientists have spotted these explosions on the surfaces of 3 white dwarf stars. A white dwarf is the remnant of a dead star. They are very dense, with a mass comparable to the Sun, but a volume comparable to Earth. Last up is a partial eclipse of the Sun seen from Mars. NASA's Mars rover captured this amazing partial eclipse of the Sun. The Martian moon Phobos isn't large enough to completely block out the Sun, like a total eclipse seen from Earth would. The diameter of our moon is more than 100 times greater than that of Phobos. Despite being tiny, Phobos is larger than its fellow Martian moon Deimos. The diameter of Phobos is 13.8 miles, which is 22.23 kilometers, while Deimos has a diameter of 7.8 miles, which is 12.56 kilometers. That's it for this astronomy roundup. Check back soon for more exciting news in the field of astronomy.
Before you go, check the description for links to referenced articles. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please give it a thumbs up and click that subscribe button.